Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you something slightly different than what we cover normally, but it is still related to AI. The thing which you are seeing on your screen is a physical real clock, but instead of showing you the time of the day, it shows you AI generated poems every minute. Yes, that's true. So this sort of a clock stays on your shelf, and after the tick of every minute it comes up with a new small poem. Now all of these poems actually rhyme. I have watched it for some time because there is also an online demo and I will show you shortly. But if you look at this AI rhyming clock, it is very interesting, and I'm expecting lot more applications like this very soon, because it is not only fun but you can make a lot of useful things out of it. This doesn't feel like a useful thing to me. I mean, who really needs a random poem after every minute? This could just drive you crazy, but still it is funny, it is interesting. Now it primarily tells the time with a brand new poem every minute. So primarily you have to if you want to know the time, you have to just decode this poem. So it tells the time with a brand new poem every minute composed by ChatGPT. It is sometimes profound, no doubt about it, and sometimes weird and sometimes totally rubbish. And also it fibs about what the actual time is to make a rhyme work. So you can see that it has a very cute little e-paper screen which looks good like my Kindle. Now it is called as poem slash one, this clock, by the way. And then if you go through this page, and I'll drop the link in video description, it is powered by USB-C cable. It also works with Wi-Fi, and then AI is composing the poem every minute. There are a lot of other information. The creator, I think the creator is Matt Webb. Yep, you can see on the website. He created his original prototype online back in 2023, and it became quite popular at that time. He even ended up in New York Times, and then he now is now selling it, and you can, I think it, you can get it for 119 pounds, and this is quite good. And I think shipping will be charged extra, and but it is not readily available. If you order it today, the estimated delivery is in August 2024. That is an estimated delivery, by the way. Anyway, now already 844 backers have pledged 95,000 pound already. So that is really interesting. Now as I said, that his AI clock prototype featured in New York Times, The Verge, Bloomberg, NDTV, Private Eye, a luxury watch magazine, and now it is being featured on this YouTube channel, which is, I think, Matt's ultimate dream come true. So congratulations, Matt. Now, as I said, that 1,500 people have already joined the mailing list of this. So if you want, you can do so too. I'm not in any way associated with this, by the way. I'm not shilling it, so I just found it interesting, so that is why I thought of it. Also, he has this online demo, and this is a real-time demo. So right now, the poem which is being displayed is in circuits deep, where electrons dart. It's 9:53 time to start. So time right now is 9:53. Just keep looking at this, and in 1 minute's time, this poem is going to change, and it should tell you something like 9:54. So let's see how would it tell the time in 9:54. So could be interesting. There you go. As the gears chime, the hours is 9:54. In the morning light, time continues to soar. This one is good, I have to say. Now let's see. Let's wait for 1 more minute, and then we'll see that what it says for 9:55. Pretty interesting. So I mean, it should be interesting that it is competing with all these screens like TVs, smartphones, smart TVs, and now the Rabbit R and all that stuff. So it should be fun to see how this gels. So I'm just going to wait for 1 more minute and see what exactly it does for 9:55. Should be any second now. There you go, it is 9:55. So giggling flowers in a row, 9:55's aglow. Okay, pretty profound, I would I would say. Anyway, it is quite interesting. I'll drop the link to it in video description. Check it out. Let me know what do you think about poems slash one, which is AI rhyming clock, and if you think of any other idea, then let me know, and then I think we can discuss it. We can even build a prototype. So there could be a lot of things out there. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.